We are showing you the brand new JW Marriott here in Anaheim, California.
The JW Marriott is located at 1775 South Clementine Street in Anaheim. This hotel is brand new and just opened in August 2020. So it is currently rated number 80 out of 126 on TripAdvisor, and that is because currently there are only 10 reviews on this hotel. It is a 16-minute walk, or about 0.8 of a mile, which we consider on the very outskirts of walking distance. There is a shortcut through the back of the hotel that takes you into the Garden Walk Mall, and you can cut through the mall to get to Disneyland. You can return through the same gate through the mall, but you will need your hotel key card to enter the gate. Please stay tuned to the very end when we'll give our thoughts about our stay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Anaheim Park Tourist. We're going to be giving you a room tour here at our room at the JW Marriott. We did pay for this room out of our own pocket, nothing is sponsored. We booked a 1-king room. Normally we would book a 2-queen, but it was a significant amount of money more, so we decided to go with a 1-king room. First, we're going to be showing you the awesome bathroom here. It's got a barn door. And then look at this amazing bathroom. It's got a giant shower with the controls for the shower where you don't have to get in and get cold to turn it on. It has a massive soaking tub and a great vanity area with lots of space. This bathroom is beautifully appointed. It's exactly what I would expect at a hotel of this caliber. Right after the bathroom is this great little bar area. They even give you complimentary water, and then in here is a mini fridge. Here is a great little area with a massive TV, and here is a pull down handle and it hides the safe. This is a king bed room. The bed is really nice, 4 pillows, and the headboard's gorgeous. You can tell these rooms are brand new.
The bed was incredibly comfortable. The pillows were wonderful. We had one of our best night's sleep at this hotel.
This room has 8 USB chargers and 3 USB-C chargers, along with tons of regular outlets. Each side of the bed has 2 regular outlets, 2 USBs, and 1 USB-C. The desk area also has 2 regular outlets, 2 USBs, and 1 USB-C. When we booked this room, it said it was a 1-king bed with a trundle, and none of the pictures online showed what the trundle was, and I was pleasantly surprised that the trundle is part of a couch in the room, and it is a full twin-size bed. I really enjoy rooms that have an extra sitting area besides just the bed to sit on, and so I really was surprised there's a couch and a chair in here because the pictures online don't really give this room justice. There's a nice chair and an ottoman along with this couch, and a great little table if you want to eat some food in here. There's also a great closet. It does have a mirror, so there's an additional mirror, and this really nice super plush bathrobe. Iron and ironing board. We did not pay for a theme park view here. There is that option. So we have a view of the Crystal Cathedral and the Toy Story parking lot for Disneyland.
The customer service at the JW Marriott was fantastic. I would say it was on par with Disney. Our first impression was when we pulled up to the valet and we met Megan. She set the tone for all of the rest of our experiences with customer service at this hotel. This hotel was clean and comfortable. It has 3 restaurants and a Starbucks on site. We will have a separate property video detailing all the restaurants and the amenities the hotel has to offer coming soon.
The elephant in the room is the parking fee. The JW Marriott is valet only, and they charge $40 a night for parking. If you hear background noise, it's from the air conditioning units from the Garden Walk. We'll take a brief pause so you can hear it in the video. It did not bother us one bit. However, we wanted to point that out. We treated it as white noise and helped drown some of the traffic out from Catella.
This hotel competes with the best of the Disneyland Resort hotels. It just lacks the convenience of a closer location. If you have any questions or things that we missed and you'd like to know about it, please let us know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe.